Hi, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here to tell you about this book I bought. Steph told me about this, and then I looked it up. It's $17.99 on Amazon. And you all know that I've been doing a hashtag scavenger hunt 2022, and I only got two prompts to do, and one is a used envelope and fib art, and then I got them all complete. So Steph's like, Tina, you should check out this book. So I went on Amazon and I purchased it. It's 250 plus joyful art journaling prompts. Book one. It was published in 2021 because I looked to see why there wasn't a book two. It's flipped to 3 different pages and create endless art journal ideas with these creative prompts by Jules Tillman and Dorr. So let's get into this. And first page says that this book belongs to you. And copyright 2021, Jules. And then introduction, and it talks about how she got into it and stuff like that. And then how to use this book. And it says, I'm going to read this. How to use this book. The prompts in this book can be used in any way you want because I believe there are no rules in art. Me neither. But here is how I imagine you using it as I created it. You flip through the book and stop on a random page. That's your prompt. Actually, I imagine you stop on 3 or 4 pages and combine them as your overall prompt. So you might get a mix like pink, watercolor, layers, and dusk. Use these to inspire your art journal spread. The book is broken up to 4 general sections: colors, materials, techniques, and prompt sparks. But if you decide to flip more than once and end up with 2 or more choices from one section, that's okay, just go with it, or flip the pages and try again. Consider your purchase of this book to great ideas for your art journal. I've tried to expand on most of the prompts included here, excluding colors. The prompts themselves are all on the right page in bold font. The left page facing the prompt will usually include some ideas how you may want to use it. For example, let's say you land on a page that says lemon. On that facing page, I suggest you might want to draw lemons or use lemons. Use a lemon, yellow. Cut a lemon in half and use it as a stamp. Create a lemon pattern, etc. Of course, your own ideas are always the best ideas, but I know sometimes I look at prompts and think, how in the world should I use that? So I thought these extra ideas might be helpful. By the way, I use illustrated as a general term meaning anything from drawing, painting, collage, extra. I hope you enjoyed the prompts, and if you share your work on Instagram, please tag me at Joyful Art Journaling and use the hashtag at hashtag Joyful Art Journaling. Oh, that's cool. So let's see. Your favorite color: white, sienna, sky blue, sage, amethyst, brown, baby blue, gold, dark gray, pink, powder blue, turquoise, violet. Thing is I may go through my book and number the pages because my idea for this is I'm going to do a number generator of how many pages and pick 10 prompts from the book. So I might just number all my pages, which will probably take me a while because it's not a small book. So here are the colors that she's got. So let's see how long colors go. Shades of black, sand. Oh, wow. I think, okay. So that's the color section right in there. So let's get a little piece of paper. And I'm going to stick that. So that's the color sections. That's just colors right there. Seafoam green, coffee, indigo, mango, raw umber, peach sand. That's cool. So that's the color portion. And then we get in acrylic paint. And then on this side it says paint literally over a piece of patterned paper to create a base. randomly add paint to a piece of paper. Use another piece of paper to smoosh it, the paint down, and make a mirror image. Water down our acrylic paint and use it as a watercolor. It will not lift like watercolor does. Use a sponge brush to make marks with paint. So she gives you some creative ideas on this side. So gift wrap, watercolor. I'm just randomly flowers. Draw flowers, paint flowers, press flowers. Use flowers as paintbrush. Gel print leaves and or petals. So it's kind of cool. It gives you different little ideas on the side. Let's see. Dusty. Make everything on the page dusty color or colors. Song. Illustrate your favorite song. Quote or line from a song that you love. Use musical notes from a song as background to your page. Transfer tape. Indentation. Create indentation in the paper. Fun. Have fun on a page. Draw rainbows or baby animals. Whatever makes you happy. Create a spread about the last time you had fun. Sheet music. Paint or wash over the page and use as background image. Tear strips, music, and use them as collage. Dried flowers. So happy. What makes you happy? Draw that. Create a portrait of happy person. So funna. What you think or when you hear funna? Some funna from your region. Abstract funna. I'll have to see. That's the word I'd Google because I have no idea what that means. Nickel. Roll a nickel into paint and then roll it around your page. Draw a huge nickel as big as you can. Fit it on your pages. Try using a nickel as a stamp. Ferns. Joyful. Still. Rainbow. L. Use the letter L promptly in a spread. Nature. Spring. Rings. California. Lace. Movement. So I notice, like back here, is more items like tissue paper, pastels, tracing, stamps, tea, moss, clothing. Then when you get further in the back of the book, it's like draw, carnival, more like June, paper planes, because she said in the beginning, where did I read that? Oh. The book is broken up to 4 general sections: colors, materials, techniques, and prompt sparks. So she goes from colors, materials, techniques, and prompt sparks. So back here is more prompt sparks. So about here is the techniques, or I should say materials, and then techniques, and then prompt smart. So that's pretty cool. Overall, for the $17, I think it's worth it, or $17.99. Like I said, I'm going to be numbering all my pages and doing like number generation. Hey, Siri, pick a number 1 through 20. And if it's 8, I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4 and find 8. Oh, I'm so sorry. Page 8, which might be mint, and I'll put that down. And then say 1 through 30, page 21 or 31. I am so sorry about that. Crumbled paper, So that's what I'm going to be working on, is I'm going to be numbering the book pages. That's the only thing I suggest to you, Jules, is number the book pages. Because they're not numbered. But I will have mine numbered. It is my book now. But I will have the link if anybody's interested in purchasing this. I'm so sorry for the sniffles. I will have the link in the description box on Amazon for joyful 250 plus joyful art journaling prompts. And thank you, Steph, for telling me about it. I'm not quite sure where Steph heard about it. She did tell me, but it's not my place to tell you, the ladies. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I just want to I had a few people that knew I was buying this I told him I'd do a video to let him know what I think. I think it's awesome because, you know, I have my little prompt box of mixed media prompts, and after a while, it's like, it seems like you're picking the same one over and over. So this was cool. So as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody. See you later.